Get ready with me. Create a soft eye look with Colourpop Quartz. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. And hey, if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, could you please hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? On this channel, I cover everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel to meditation. Anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, I finally gave in and bought this palette from Colourpop, the Colourpop of Quartz. It's only, I think, $14 at Ulta, online. Occasionally there's specials. So I'm going to just create a nice soft look with this today. One warning for this palette, when I first tried it out, I was using one of these, I think it was the Rock On, and I was using that sort of metallic shimmer. And it looks like, I think one of the little shiny pieces, one of the little sparkles got under my eyelid, and it very much irritated my eye. So this is just kind of a word of warning. If you're using the shimmers Rock On, I don't know whether it's actually made of rocks, I doubt it, but they can be irritating, so be careful not to let any of the little sparkles get into your eye. But today, I'm going to just do a nice soft look. I'm going to start with this color called In the Zone. And the main thing I don't like about this palette, it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm actually using my Jeffree Star mirror today. Now I already did all my other makeup. I used Charlotte Tilbury for my face and highlighter and Anastasia brow. Everything else is going to be pretty much Colourpop. See, that's just a very nice soft flesh tone color, that first color I used, In the Zone. So now I'm taking my liner brush, but I'm using a matte. I'm using this called Opaque down the bottom. I'm not going to try it with a shimmer again. So let's take this and go along the lash line. And I think for the lower lash line, I am going to use this CO right here. Just a soft, natural color. So now I'm going to start with this Magmatic and go in the outer corner of the eye. And just little soft circular motions, going outer corner in. And now let's start with Mind Games and go with the inner corner out. From the inner corner toward the center. A larger blender brush. And I'm going to take this one called Transform and just blend everything together. The idea is to just make your natural eyes shine. Okay, you see, it's just a little bit of sort of a mauve type of shades. Very soft, very natural. Really pretty look, can go from day to evening. Just a little bit of shine. I'm glad I bought this palette. Just some nice, pretty, natural colors. Great way to start the day. Next step with Colourpop is to add a little color to my cheeks. And this is the cheek stick, which I've had for a while, and I just really like it. It's a simple way. I did use a little bit of the sort of highlighting the Flawless filter with Charlotte Tilbury, but I haven't put on any cheek color. So just taking this little pin, drawing a little bit here, right in the hollow of your right in the balls of your cheeks. Just take a sponge and just sort of tap it in. just enough to give your cheeks a little bit of glow. And for my lips, I'm also using Colourpop, using this Lippy pencil. The color of this is Bumble. And now I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Times Square. And as far as the liquid matte lip, I think Colourpop is one of my favorites. It stacks up well next to the high-end brands like Kylie. I think the only one I like a little bit better is Jeffree Star. All right, now I'm going off camera and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, add a little mascara, finished off with some setting spray. So this is my look today, using primarily the Colourpop Quartz palette. Again, beautiful colors, very easy to get a nice soft look. Hey, what's your favorite palette? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.